In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide Instagram posts from someone. Currently, Instagram does not offer a direct feature to hide posts from a specific person without blocking them or changing account settings. However, there are workarounds to achieve similar results. This method ensures only your approved followers can see your posts. Just open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner and go to Settings. And then select Privacy. Toggle your account to a private account. Now, only people you approve can see your posts, effectively hiding them from anyone else. But if you still want to hide posts from only one specific person, blocking them is the only solution, or you can restrict someone because it's less harsh than blocking and prevents them from seeing your interactions. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.